The other day, we had a case in Rahuri. Actually, I had gone to a village where about 3, 4 cars coming suddenly in a village. I was surprised how these people are coming from where. And they came down with their diseases. Actually, car people always have diseases, I think. So they came with their diseases. Somebody is diseased, another one is diseased. And there was one boy, he was down with blood cancer in New York. I said, now, that's too much. In New York, you have sent him there in a hospital and the doctors won't be good enough. He said, doesn't matter, mother. As long as you give him vibrations from here, we don't mind. So I took the photograph, I gave vibrations to the child, and I told them that you telephone to Christine. I gave them the number and tell her that these things to be done, and mother has given your address. Now Christine looked after this boy. Christine and Harman and all these people who are there, who are mostly new Sahajogis. Except for Christine, all of them are absolutely new. And they went and looked after this boy, and this boy was cured. And the doctors were surprised, you see, that this boy was supposed to be, futuristically they said that he's going to die within 8 days' time. And he didn't die, not at all. He survived. And then they found all negative reading there, and he came down to see me. I, of course, worked on him and saw to it that it is removed completely from its roots. I worked on him, but when I saw him, I was amazed that his left navi, which is the cause of this trouble, was completely working all right. But there was some problem still left, but they did that. And the mother, you see, who has met with a very sad experience. Her husband was killed on a highway by robbers. In her presence with these 2 small little children sitting in her lap, when about 10 years back, when this boy was hardly 6 years of age and another brother of his about 4 years of age. And this woman was so shocked, and after that to get this kind of a disease for the son, you see. And what she told me, that's what's so heartening. She said, you see, these are all the angels I felt. They didn't ask for anything. Day and night they came and worked for this boy. They were so kind, and they came all the time and worked and did so much. Mother, what have you given them? I said, I've done nothing. I've just done nothing. They've got their own realization. And they said, but we can't imagine human beings being that selfless. We are all selfish people. We are really very selfish. They are so selfless. How did they work it out? We just can't understand how it has worked out. But it has worked out, and the boy is cured, and they were so sweet. They spent their own money to come to the hospital, and they looked after it. The doctors were amazed, because doctors, the woman had to sell lots of her things, because she's a rich woman, no doubt, but she had to sell one of her factory to go to America to pay for the doctors there. And she said these people would come down, and they would come one after another and look after the boy every day and struggle through, and they consoled me and told me that don't worry, you'll be all right. They gave me realization. And the heartening thing was they said that they were so selfless. They didn't ask for any money, nothing. And they enjoyed, you see, they enjoyed their love, what they did for this boy. And this is what it is, that when you are realized, you have to give it. If you don't give it, then you stagnate. You stagnate, and there's no fragrance about it. No fragrance. No fragrance. And you lose your vibrations, your progress also retards. I know it's very hard in these modern times to create a group of people who can love. You can create a group of people who can hate.